Could you survive? Inside extreme cold temperatures, inside a harsh Arctic blizzard. You're trapped in a brutal blizzard. Your body instantly begins freezing. As you push through deep snow, muscles burn while energy drains fast. Your lungs struggle in cold air. Oxygen intake drops. Breathing becomes sharp. Hands go numb building shelter. Blood retreats from skin to vital organs. Your brain slows slightly, focusing only on survival as temperature drops. By the fire, your body fights back, trying to restore core heat. Warmth feels temporary. Your metabolism speeds up, burning calories rapidly. Facing icy winds, heat escapes quickly, pushing your body toward hypothermia. Your heart beats faster, trying desperately to circulate warmth everywhere. Under the aurora, your body enters survival mode, conserving every bit energy. Shivering becomes violent. Your brain struggles to maintain consciousness and coordination. If heat fails completely, your organs shut down and survival ends silently.